If you're like most owners and managers right now, you're stretched thin, tired of carrying the weight alone, and frustrated by hiring systems that never seem to deliver. But here's the truth. You've only ever been taught one kind of hiring, a compliance-based model designed to check boxes, not build teams. It's not your fault. You've been forced into a system that makes hiring a grind with unknown outcomes, and the cost of hiring misfits is climbing not only in money, but momentum. Key roles are staying open longer. The good candidates are vanishing, and each delay adds more pressure to you, key employees, and your team. That's why we created Peak Performance, powered by MEI. A smarter system based on merit, excellence, and initiative, not guesswork. Instead of chasing resumes, you build a team aligned to your standards, your culture, and your goals. But you can't wait. The market's shifting fast, and the longer you rely on what's broken, the more likely your critical roles stay empty, or worse, filled with the wrong people. Now's the time to change the game. Let Peak Performance help you hire better, lead better, and finally grow without the burnout. Start with the free starter kit or book your fast track call today.